The objective of this session is to learn about the meaning of function, about built-in function, how to define a new function, and how to call a function. What is function? A function is a named block of codes that performs a computation. Functions gives a block of code a name that can be reused every time the calculation is needed. Example of Python built-in function ABS, which stands for absolute of -4, output is 4. Another example of Python built-in function is len. Len means length of a list. Here we can see there are 3 elements, so output is 3. These are the example of Python built-in functions. One can define a new functions. This is an example where def is the code word it is required for defining a new function, and this parenthesis is compulsory and colon is also compulsory, and the indentation of 4 spaces or tab creates the code block. This is the function name which must follow the name convention of variable. This is the function parameter. Function parameter for all functions is not compulsory. Some functions may not have any parameter. Calling the functions. Here function name and putting the value of radius here. The argument value is 5 and the output is 78.57. Alternatively, we can assign a value 5 to the radius and then we can write area circle radius. The output will be same, 58.57. Now let us have the Python practical session. We can write the function ABS of -4, press F9, the value is 4, and length of a list. Here the list is having 4 elements, so length is showing 4. Now another Python built-in function, integer of a floating point number. So it is truncating the value of float to 4. Now defining a new function, the keyword is define, then function name, area circle, and parameter is radius, and I am writing a local variable pi, value is 22 divided by 7, and area formula is pi multiplied by radius power 2, and return area. Now this is the defining the function. We can run this code. So now to call the function, one way is we can assign a value to radius. For example, I am assigning a value 5 and then calling the function area circle radius. We can select it and then press F9. The value is 78.57. We can now change the value to radius value to 7 and recalculate the area. The value is 154. Alternately, you can directly put the value of a radius here. It is taking only one argument, so put the value 5 and then run this code. Area is 78.57. So what have you learned? What is function? Python built-in functions, defining how to define a new functions and how to call a function.